You ready to make some coasters out of this Dollar Tree stuff? Let's do it. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know. And if you did, thanks again for coming back. All right, so we're starting with these wooden pumpkin cutouts from Dollar Tree. And we're gonna put some wood glue on and some hot glue. And I'm gonna glue another one right on top because I want my coasters to be a little more substantial. So glue, and then I just position it as the glue is wet just to make sure everything is lined up. Then I have this fabric from Dollar Tree. Look at how pretty. And we're going to double it and cut out a square, roughly the size of our pumpkin. We're going to do the same for our pumpkin fabric. Again, it's doubled fabric. So we're going to have 4 pieces of fabric when we're done. I have some dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and I'm going to cover my pumpkin, and then I'm going to put my fabric on top of that. I'm going to smooth it out and then loosely cut out. Now, if you're really not liking the distressed vibe, then trace your pumpkin and cut out your fabric so that you could just put it right on top. But you'll see in a little bit what I'm going to do to make it a little more distressed and country looking. I do cut a little bit more by the stem just because the next step is sanding, and it's going to be a little more difficult to sand if that part's not trimmed. So we're just going to sand it. Easy peasy. An emery board, after I started this, would have worked perfect. But there's that one. And there's the plaid. Super cute, right? So then I have some adhesive back cork I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut just squares big enough to cover my pumpkin, okay? So then we're going to take our backer off, and then we're going to put our pumpkin on that because it's going to have a cork back. Cool, right? I know. And then again, I'm going to loosely cut out this because again, I'm going to be sanding after, and use a pair of scissors you don't care about so much because they're going to get all sticky. At the very least, I would wipe them down with some rubbing alcohol when you're done, just because this adhesive on this cork is no joke. Like, it means business, which is great for the coaster, not so great for your scissors. So yeah, and I'm just, again, loosely cutting it out. I'm not, again, if you would prefer, you could trace it and cut it out. I just am so not good at cutting a straight line that it would be really bad. It would be bad. So this way works for me, and then I just sand off the excess, and it sands off really easily. I'm just using a sanding block I got from Dollar Tree. So easy peasy. And just go all the way around. You'll notice that the adhesive also kind of rolls onto the edge, and you might just have to pick that off after or leave it. It's up to you. I used a rolled up piece of sandpaper to get the really inside parts. But again, an emery board, whew, if I had one, that would be great. Maybe I should put that on my list for Dollar Tree next time. I always forget though. And there it is. Super cute, right? And then I'm going to do a top layer on the fabric of dishwasher safe Mod Podge. Super thin layer. It's just, you're still going to have that nice fabric feel. It's just going to be so that if there's any condensation, it doesn't just roll off. But look how cute these are. And look, we can put them in our little cart that we made a couple weeks ago. What? I know. So cute. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.